Now let us discuss the concept of ratio of the area of the similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. That means if we have two similar triangles, suppose we have triangle ABC and it is similar to triangle PQ. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Then given it has been given to us that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and we have to prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB upon PQ square is equal to BC upon QR square is equal to AC upon PR square. That means if two triangles are similar, we have to prove that the ratio of the area of the two triangles is equal to the square of the ratios of their corresponding sides. So for this, let us have we will have to do some construction. Let us construct AD perpendicular to BC and PS perpendicular to QR. Now we are making some construction. That means we are drawing two perpendiculars. We are taking AD perpendicular to BC and we are taking PS perpendicular to QR. So now the proof is in triangle ABD and triangle PQS, angle B is equal to angle Q. It has been given to us because the two triangles are similar. So angle B is equal to angle Q and angle D is equal to angle S, each 90 degree, because AD and PS are perpendicular to BC and QR, so each is equal to 90 degree. So angle D is equal to angle S. Therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS using AA criteria. AA criteria of similarity, we can say that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS. Therefore, as the two triangles are similar, we can write the ratio of their corresponding sides. So AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QS is equal to AC is equal to AD upon PS. So this is the ratios of the corresponding sides of two similar triangles. So now we mark it as equation 1. In triangle ABC, and as triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, so we can say that AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to BC upon QR. Let us take it as equation 2. In equation 1, AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QS, and in the second and AD upon PS, and in the second AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon QR. So we can equate these two ratios. So we can say that from 1 and 2, we can say that AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon QR is equal to BC upon AC upon PR. BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PS. So the corresponding ratios of the corresponding sides is equal to the ratio of the perpendiculars. Now area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base. The base of ABC is BC, so half into BC into height, that is AD, upon half into BC, half into QR into PS. So half will cancel out, so it is equal to BC upon QR into AD upon PS. So we can say that it is equal to BC upon QR into BC upon QR, because we know that AD upon PS is equal to BC upon QR. So replacing AD upon PS by BC upon QR, I get BC upon QR whole square. So this is how the area of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding side. And further we can say that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR square. It is further equal to AB upon, because BC upon QR is equal to AB upon PQ, so AB upon PQ square is equal to AC upon PR square. So hence we have proved that the ratio of the area of these two similar triangles is equal to the ratio square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So hence whenever we have two similar triangles and if we have the ratio of the corresponding sides, then the area of those similar triangles will be, the ratio of the area of those similar triangles will be equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. We are given that the area of two similar triangles is equal and we have to prove that the two triangles are congruent. Let us take two triangles ABC and PQR. Let ABC be a triangle and PQR be the other triangle. And we are given that ABC triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and further area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 1. Because the area of the two triangles are equal, so the ratio of the areas will be equal to 1. And we have to prove triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So for the proof, as triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, so we can say that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. That is, the ratio of the corresponding sides of the two triangles are equal. And we know that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB upon PQ whole square. Because we know that from the concept we know that the ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So, but we know that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 1. It has been given to us. So we can say that AB upon PQ whole square is equal to 1, or we can say that AB is equal to PQ. Similarly, we can prove that BC is equal to QR and AC is equal to PR. Now the three sides of one triangle are equal to three sides of the other triangle. Therefore, by SSS criteria, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So this is how we can apply the concept, because we were given that the ratio is equal to 1 and we know that the ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. Ratio of the square of their corresponding side. So AB upon PQ is equal to, as the two triangles are similar, so the ratios were AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. And we know that the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR will be equal to AB upon PQ whole square. So, but we are given that it is equal to 1. So AB upon PQ whole square is equal to 1. This implies AB is equal to PQ. Similarly, as AB is equal to PQ, so BC will be equal to QR and AC will be equal to PR. Hence, the three sides of one triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides of the other triangle. Therefore, by SSS criteria, triangle ABC will be congruent to triangle PQR. So, hence, this is how we can apply the concept of the ratio of the area of similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides.